Are you tired of driving around at night and you can't see because your headlights frickin' suck and they look like this? These barely light anything up. Well, lucky for you, today we have a solution with these Auxito LED headlights. And they even have a promo code for 15% off, TTR_garage. I'm gonna put it on the screen just in case I messed it up, but check them out. What is going on, guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Well, if you guys couldn't tell, today we're reviewing a product and we haven't done this in a long time. So today we're gonna be checking out these, I believe it's Auxito, like tuxedo LED lights. And if you guys know, the Civic has terrible headlights and they're just horrible. And a long time ago I made a TikTok, so I'm gonna try to find it and put it right here. My Civic has terrible visibility at night, so I decided to get these xenon white headlight bulbs because I can't see at night. So after installing them, they are still yucky yellow and they are not xenon white. What xenon, what? That is not white at all. They're just not good and night driving is terrible. So today we're gonna put these in real quick and see how they look. I've always liked the concept of having LED headlights in a car like a Civic because I've never had them before and these halogens are absolutely terrible. So hopefully these do the trick. Now, I have a tendency of being brutally honest when it comes to things like this, but packaging is a 10 out of 10 on here because it doesn't feel like a cheap Chinese product, if you guys know what I mean. And these headlights look pretty decent. I mean, I don't know anything about headlights. I mean, they actually do say like the branding on there if you want to focus, which is pretty cool. So hopefully these are actually pretty decent and I'm going to install them now. They promise to be very plug and play, which is awesome because a lot of these headlight companies say they are, but there's all these extra wires you gotta do and fuses or whatnot, and this just seems to be just, you plug it into your existing headlight bulb harness and it's good to go. And I like the fact that they send you these little white gloves, even though I don't think they will fit my, oh my god, they stretch. They're a little small, so if you have small hands, these will work really good for you, but it keeps your hands clean. Don't know why it's white, but keeps your hands clean. Now again, I've never had LED bulbs like in a car like this, so this reaction is going to be genuine. So I'm gonna close my hood, turn my light off, and we're gonna compare them. So the driver's side is stock, the passenger side is LED, and kind of curious how it's gonna turn out. All right, here's the moment of truth. Oh my god, that's so bright. Wow, you can see the difference of how bright it actually is. That's insane. And I would totally love to go take this for a ride right now to show you guys how good it looks on the roads, but the car currently isn't running, which is really unfortunate. But I'm gonna put the other one in really quick because that was a lot easier than I expected it to be, honestly. It's just a headlight, but it's a good headlight. Literally, if you can change a headlight, you can do these LED upgrades. Super simple, it's literally plug and play. Most plug and play system that I've seen, because I've seen a lot that you need pigtail wires or have new connections or whatnot. These are pretty good. Got both of them in, so let's see how they both look. That's crazy. There's something about modernizing cars that I think is awesome. It's gonna make it look better. I should turn them on and look at the headlights. Looks freaking dope. Looks better, performs better, is overall better. Guys, use my discount code for 15% off. Maybe it was 10% off. It's a discount on LED lights, TTR_garage. That's awesome. And as I said, the car is currently not running right now. And I'm trying to find the issue of why it's not running. And I probably will make a video on this because I'm probably gonna have to do some crazy workaround to make the car actually run again. And it's an issue because this car currently is my daily. And if it's not running, I can't make that freaking sweet cash. So we are currently having some issues with the car, but hopefully we get them squared away soon. But guys, thank you for Auxito, Tuxedo, for sending me these lights. Guys, please check them out. Use my code. It's gonna be in my description. I'm gonna put it all over this freaking video, just everywhere. Please check them out, guys. Spread the love. Do me a couple of things. Comment, like, subscribe, keep doing the fun stuff. Keep doing you and stay motivated. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out and peace.